Today I'm going to describe the differences among simple, choice, and discrimination reaction time situations and give an example of each. So, reaction time, or RT, refers to how long a person is to detect a stimulus and indicate a movement after that stimulus appears. It is commonly used to measure how quickly someone can process information and prepare the action, which especially is important in sports and everyday movements. The first one is simple reaction time, and as the name suggests, it's relatively simple. There is only one stimulus and one required response. And because there is no decisions to make, this type of reaction time typically is one of the fastest ones. An example of this can be when a sprinter on a track is going to do a 100-meter dash and they hear that gun in the air and they jump off the block and they just start running and running and running. So the athlete already knows the movement to perform and they're just waiting for that signal to appear. The second situation is choice reaction time. In this one, there are multiple possible stimuli, and each stimuli requires a different response. Reaction time is a little slower here because the person must identify the stimulus and choose the correct action to do. So, another example of this can be a soccer goalkeeper or goalie. So, they either have to dive left, dive right, or just stay and put. And so, that decision making time is a little bit longer than what simple would be. And the third and last one is discrimination reaction time. So in this case, there are multiple stimuli, but one person only responds to that specific stimuli and ignores the others. Reaction time includes deciding whether to respond at all. And an example of this can be how basketball players are waiting to move until they hear the referee whistle, while ignoring the crowd noise and other noises and distractions that might appear. So overall, a simple reaction time is the fastest one, which no decision is really required. Choice reaction time is a little bit slower because the correct responses must be selected, and discrimination reaction time involves deciding whether to respond at all. So these differences can help explain why reaction time varies across all different motor skill situations.